Hey guys, so my juice cleanse arrived today. Ugh, it's heavy. I am going to open it up, show you what I got. This came from Juice from the Raw. This video is not sponsored in any way. I wanted to do this on my own. So this is truly a first look at the juices that I got. I'm actually not going to start the cleanse until a couple of days from now. The good thing is that you can freeze these juices, so they actually come frozen, and I'm interested to see like if they're still fully frozen or just partly frozen. So I'm just gonna throw them in the freezer until the day before I get ready to start my cleanse. So let's see what I got. It says, your whenever cleanse has been formulated to help detoxify your body with a balance of fresh vegetables and fruits. The order of the cleanse is set to help you function easily throughout the day. Start with your detox greens bottle as your breakfast and end the day with your coconut fusion bottle. Drink each portion in 2 to 3 hour intervals or when you start feeling hungry. And here we go. Oh, cool. There's definitely still some ice in here. They're semi-thawed. But yeah, I mean, it's just those same 6 juices over and over again. So here's what pineapple mint looks like. Here's the upbeat. Yeah, these are actually pretty frozen. Here's sweet greens, spicy lemonade, detox greens. I am super excited and also super nervous to start this juice cleanse. Hopefully you guys will want to come along on this journey with me. We're doing it. We're about to cleanse our bodies. Let's do it. Even get started, I don't want to hear anything about how crazy I look right now. I just woke up and this is how you know it's real. Good morning. I'm here on day 1 with juice number 1, which is the detox greens. It says it has pineapple, celery, cucumber, green kale, spinach, and dandelion. I'm kind of scared. Oh, I definitely smell the celery. Woo, okay. All right, here we go. I mean, oh, that's an aftertaste. I mean, it's not bad. It's like definitely drinkable. I think the pineapple saves it. Strangely, I taste the dandelion. That's weird. I definitely taste the cucumber. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it has some like sour aftertaste that's kind of strange. Definitely the cucumber and the celery are very strong. The pineapple saves it. It's not bad. Like, I definitely wouldn't just say, oh, give me one of those. I want to drink that today, but like, it is what it is. I will drink it. So these juices are actually meant to be drank across the span of 2 to 3 hours. The original plan was for me to buy a full 3-day juice cleanse, which I did. I bought a 3-day juice cleanse and you're supposed to drink 6 juices throughout the day. That was before I was gonna start working. So I was gonna be at home, have plenty of time to be hangry and not like kill anybody. Now I'm getting ready to start work and I'm a little scared to just go on a straight 3-day juice cleanse, no food whatsoever, while at work. Now, I don't have a physically demanding job, but I have a very mentally demanding job. I don't want my patients saying I gave them the wrong diagnosis because I hadn't eaten in 3 days. Once I figured out when I was gonna start working, I just said, well, you know what? Let's just modify this juice cleanse a little bit. So instead of doing 3 days straight, my plan is to substitute breakfast with either detox greens or sweet greens. Eat a salad for lunch, at some point have some fruit for a snack or like some carrots and hummus for a snack, and then have another one of the juices as like a mid-afternoon snack, and then eat a regular dinner. And you know, I'm trying to eat healthier overall. This is not just a temporary, I just want to get on the bandwagon and see what the hype is type thing. So the reason I decided to do the sweet greens and detox greens in the morning and kind of do that structure that I told you about is because on the juice from the Raw website, they do have a maintenance cleanse, which is all detox greens and sweet greens. And they say that that's for pregnant women, athletes, and people with physically demanding jobs who really can't afford to skip a meal. Again, I have a mentally demanding job. I don't think I can afford to skip a meal. I'm back with juice number 2. This one is pineapple mint and nothing else, it said. So it's literally just, I guess, pineapple and mint. Pineapple, apple, and mint. This is what it looks like straight out of the fridge. So you can see everything is kind of shifted to the bottom. So I'm just gonna shake it up a bit. I'm gonna be completely honest, y'all. I was starving by the time lunchtime came. So I know I said I was gonna eat a salad and then like eat a full meal for dinner, but I had to switch that chicken to my lunch, and then for dinner I'll just eat a salad. But I was so hungry. So I don't know how people are going 3 days without eating. Like, this just seems insane to me. Here we go. I also forgot to mention earlier that I'm not drinking any coffee during the 6 days that I'm doing this, just to see if like the juice will help to get my energy levels up, you know, with all of the nutrients and everything that's supposed to be so good for me. I'm hoping that that will just give me the energy that I need throughout the day. Here's pineapple mint. Let's see. I definitely smell the mint. I think this one's gonna be good. Yeah, that's really good, actually. Yes. Like, surprisingly, the apple is the flavor that's really strong and that comes through, but definitely you taste the pineapple, you taste the mint. It's very fresh, very light. I would definitely just go buy this one from the store and drink it throughout the day. It's really good. Yeah, that's delicious. Okay. Good morning. Today is day 2 of my modified juice cleanse. Let me tell you, yesterday was a struggle. Something about drinking this much juice just makes me really abnormally hungry. I mean, I don't usually drink juice in the first place, so to just all of a sudden be drinking a ton of juice is just like juice overload. I'm normally just a water drinker, and I usually drink a good amount of water throughout the day, but like this juice just has me super hungry. I did start the second juice, as you saw in the video, this pineapple mint, but I never finished it because I took a nap. And I don't know if that's related to the fact that I'm not drinking coffee during this cleanse, so I was really tired, or like if just the hunger took over and forced me to go to sleep. For dinner, I did have a salad. So at this point, it is 10:18 in the morning. I'm still going to be drinking this sweet greens for breakfast. This says it has green kale, spinach, Swiss chard, romaine, celery, cucumber, ginger, lemon, and apple. God, this doesn't seem like it's that sweet at all. Here we go. Cheers. Oh, wow. The flavor just keeps developing as you go through. So like, first off, the smell of this celery is very strong. The taste of the celery is also very strong. The lemon and the apple like save it a little bit. I mean, if you like ginger, if you're that person and you like cucumber, then you will love this because the cucumber and the ginger tastes are quite strong. So I think you will really like this if you like those flavors. Unfortunately, I do not. I kind of think I like it better than the detox greens from yesterday though. Yeah, it's not horrible. Like, definitely the celery, cucumber, and ginger stick out. And I do taste the apple too though, which helps it to not be as bad. All right guys, I'm back. It is the afternoon. I'm gonna be completely honest, I did not finish the sweet greens. It's really just too much juice for me to drink. Like, I don't know how people are just drinking this much juice. I am going to try the spicy lemonade because it's now 4:13 p.m. and I'm gonna come back and like try to drink the rest of sweet greens at some point throughout the day. But I do want to get on here, try the spicy lemonade, and let you know what it tastes like. So it says it has lemons, agave nectar, cayenne pepper, and H2O, and nothing else. Oh, it's not even spicy like I was expecting it to. Hold on, let me shake it up a little bit. Okay, so I would definitely buy this. It really just tastes like lemonade. It has a slight spiciness to it as it's going down my throat, but for the most part, it's not really as spicy as I was expecting it to be. I don't think I'm gonna have a problem. Ooh, yeah, that tingle as it goes down my throat. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have a problem drinking this one over the next 2 hours because it's pretty good. It's about 4:20, and Upbeat has carrot, apple, beet, lemon, ginger. Let's give it a shot. I'm actually really scared of this one. It kind of tastes like grass. It's not as bad as I was expecting it to be, honestly. It kind of just smells and tastes like grass. I don't really know how else to describe it. Yeah, it just tastes like fresh cut grass. I don't think I have a problem finishing it. Speaking of finishing, I finished the one from this morning. I've been having trouble finishing the juices each day, but I did finish the detox greens from this morning. And I actually didn't feel really hungry throughout the day like I did the first day. The first day I was starving through the entire day, even though I ate lunch and dinner and all that. I was starving the whole day. So I think my body's just getting used to drinking so much juice, because today I was actually perfectly fine for most of the day. So I'm either the worst juice cleanser ever, or I'm a perfect example of how these things don't always go as you plan. So I did finish my juice from this morning, but you know, this whole thing has been a learning experience in that I did not at all finish my juice from yesterday afternoon. So that's actually what I'm gonna be drinking today. I drank about half of it yesterday. It was the Upbeat. And what I'm learning is that, like with this modified juice cleanse, I have to drink these starting at a very specific time in order for me to finish it in time for me to do my workout. To be quite honest, I don't like this. I'm not really excited to drink it. Maybe that's why I didn't finish it yesterday. I'm not excited to drink it today. It still just tastes like grass. Yeah, I'm not a fan, but I will press on. I will continue this modified juice cleanse journey. Hey everyone, so I am back. This is the last day of my modified juice cleanse. It's about 3:06 p.m. and this is Coconut Fusion. Just pulled it out the fridge, so this is what it looks like. Thai coconut water and flesh and nothing else. I honestly am so ready to be done, and I know I've only done the modified juice cleanse, not even a full juice cleanse, but overall, this has made me extremely hungry. I don't know what it is. Also, the juices, while they don't taste terrible, they're just not great. Like, they don't taste great. Like, I just want to grab it and drink it all the time. The pineapple mint and then the spicy lemonade, those both were really good. But otherwise, I'm kind of just really tired and over it. So this technically hasn't really been a juice cleanse. It's more so been like a juice supplementation to kind of jumpstart my healthy eating and to really get in the nutrients that I know I wasn't getting with just my normal, typical eating routine. So I'm gonna have a go at it. Oh. I mean, it just tastes like coconut. It tastes like I just took a glob of coconut oil and just threw it in my mouth. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna have to sit with this one for a while or just chug it. I hate that I'm ending it on this note. I don't like this at all. But I also don't like coconut milk or coconut water. So if you are that type of person, then you may like this. It literally just tastes like you're just eating a coconut. So if that's you, then you actually will like this. But I don't like coconut. Like I don't like German chocolate cake. I don't like anything with coconut flakes on it. So this is just really not for me. But anyway, that being said, thank you all for coming along on this journey with me. If you've made it to the end of this video, then I'm so happy, and thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in doing a juice cleanse, I really hope that it goes well for you, that you stick to it. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.